Hey folks, today we're going to be talking about trademarking and specifically trademark symbols. It sounds like it's going to be a bit boring. You could be right there, but this is important. You should know about trademarking when it comes to your brand and your logo. So let's make a start and let me take you through each of the three main symbols. So the first is the TM symbol. Sometimes known as the common law mark, the TM symbol is used to make people aware that you are claiming rights on your trademark. Unlike a registered trademark, which we'll discuss later on in this video, a common law trademark can be harder to protect. And that's because there's no public record of when the trademark was first used. Next up is the SM symbol. Now this isn't as commonly used as the TM symbol, but it stands for service mark. So if your brand offers services such as banking or legal or even design services, you should be using the SM mark. The TM symbol is much more widely recognised though, and so I would suggest that you use the TM symbol over and above the SM one. Next up is the R symbol. Unlike the previous two symbols, the TM and the SM, the R represents an officially registered trademark. You may only use the R symbol if you have registered your brand or your logo with an official trademark body. If you go ahead and use the R symbol without officially trademarking, then you could run into claims of fraud, where you knowingly or willingly attempt to deceive or mislead consumers or try to prevent another brand from registering a mark which is similar or the same as your own. If you have the budget to do so, I would always say go ahead and officially register your trademark. So what about when it comes to actually using the symbols on your logo? Where should they go? Well, in the main, people will put the logo in the upper right hand corner next to their logo. It can also go in the lower right hand corner, or it could go in line with your logo or brand name. There is no right or wrong. It can actually go anywhere around your logo, but you do want to have it in a sort of an unobtrusive way. If you know for a fact that when you're having your logo designed, you will be officially registering it, let your designer know, because they'll then be able to take that into account when they're creating the logo design, so that the TM or the registered trademark symbol will be more balanced in the design. Okay, so a quick recap. You don't have to be using the TM or SM symbols to make common law rights claims to your trademark. When it comes to the registered trademark symbol, that little R in a circle, you must have an officially registered trademark to use it. And lastly, let your designer know if registering that trademark is something you intend to do, because they'll then be able to take that into account when they're sketching, conceptualizing, and create the final logo design. By knowing in advance, they'll be able to incorporate that little symbol into your logo to give an overall better balance and visual look to the final design. It's at this point I should stress that trademark law is very complex. You should always seek the advice of a trademark lawyer who can take you through the process and make sure that nothing is missed. You don't want to go ahead and register your trademark and make a mistake so that if someone challenges it, you end up losing. So there you have it. That's a little bit more information for you on trademarking symbols. Not the most exciting of topics, I know, but it is something that you should know when it comes to branding. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment. Let me know if you've actually been through the trademarking process yourself. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and make sure you click on that little bell icon to be notified whenever I release a new video. And until I see you next time, stay creative, folks.